love it.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Brittany Heyer and Stephen Koenig's wedding at the Massachusetts Museum of Contemporary Art for this one-night-only exhibit, Love. You have built this relationship from a strong friendship. You make each other shine. You are each other's biggest champions. Together you create an environment of safety for one another and for those around you. And above all else, and perhaps the most important thing you possess as a couple, is Coco. No, but in all seriousness, I know I speak for everyone in this room when I say that I'm excited for you both choosing one another as partners in this life.
Ross and Rachel from Friends. Pam and Jim from The Office. The various relations from The Bachelor and The Bachelorette. I've had to fall asleep to all of these couples because having the TV on helps you sleep. And I can sleep with things quietly on in the background. That's called compromise, the foundation of a healthy relationship. Look it up, Ross Geller. A lot has happened in the past 4 years, but the one unifying theme among it all is us. I'll keep you laughing when I can. I'll be at your side when you need me. We'll work together to get Coco to stop barking at everybody. We'll never stop growing and finding adventure. We'll keep making the world a more magical place.
Stephen, there is nothing I've been more sure of in my life than you. We built a relationship first as friends, and then we realized we were so much more than that. You are the piece that completed the puzzle, the Disney to my world. And I would add a reference here to a great story ballet couple, but most of them, like Romeo and Juliet, are quite frankly a mess, as we often laugh about. I love learning the world with you, the good, the bad, the ordinary, and the extraordinary. I love the life we've built, full of endless love, trust, laughter, and pure joy. I promise to choose you and choose us every moment of every day for the rest of our lives. You make everything better, and it is just the coolest thing that we get to do life together. We're so lucky.
By the supreme authority vested in me by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts for a period of only 24 hours, it is with joy that I pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Koenig. You may now kiss one another and let's celebrate.
Get down! Jump on it, up now, I need to dance. Jump on it, come on girl, I wanna get down. Jump on it, up yeah, I love to dance. Jump on it, come on girl.
Britt is the kindest, most deeply caring person I know. Many of you know this already, and if you're just getting to know her, trust me, you'll see soon. She has a superpower, and that's her ability to make everyone around her feel good and important and empowered. I'm so happy that she found someone who does the same for her. She used to joke about being alone forever and becoming a crazy dog lady. And my parents and I would just listen and laugh. I mean, look at her. She's gorgeous, she's incredibly intelligent, she's outgoing and can talk to anyone. So we just waited for the right person that I knew would come along, and then came Steven. I love you both so much. Cheers to the very special bride and groom, Britt and Steven.
I'm not sure if everybody's aware, but there is a shocking number of people who are highly trained dancers at this party. For the rest of us, there's also an open bar.